Hi there, welcome to my another simple tutorial on Windows 10. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily set password on Windows 10. So without wasting time, let's get started. To set password, at first click on the Start button, and then click on gear icon to get in the settings. Now find out Accounts option, and click on it. And then in the left menu click Add to Sign In options. In the right menu you will be taken to that screen, where you can easily find password. You can click on it. And on my screen it says that your account doesn't have a password. You must add a password before you can use the other sign-in options. All we have to do now is just click on Add option, and that's where we can create a password for Windows 10. Now we need to enter new password and then confirm it. And after that we can also add a hint for a dead password if we wish. And then click on Next, and then click on Finish. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also hit the subscribe button to get more update video.